Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to introduce an amazing music streaming platform that's going to change the way you listen to your favorite tracks. It's called Demus. Let me show you why this app is total game changer. So here is the app icon of this app and you can find it on App Store in iPhones. Let me open the App Store and show you the Demus app. So the full name of this app is this Demus Easy Music Streaming app, right? So first off, Demus works directly on YouTube's server. That means every song, every music video, and every artist available on YouTube is right here in the palm of your hand. Just search your favorite track, and boom, you have got it. No limits, no hassle. You know what's even better? With Demus, you can lock your phone while music is like playing. Let me show you, as you guys can see here. There you go. So I'm at the background and music is still going on. Perfect for saving battery or whenever you are on the go. If you are multitasking, no problem. You can listen to your music while using other apps. Talk about convenience. Ever wanted to sing along to your favorite song with Demas? Finding lyrics is an easy as a tap. Let me show you. So you can see here, you can even find the lyrics on this application. No more googling lyrics. It's all right here in the app. Demus also makes organizing your music a breeze. You can create your own playlist to match your mood or vibe. So, create your own playlist. Even you can import the playlist from Spotify, like YouTube or other. So, there you have it. Demus is the ultimate music streaming app for all your listening needs with YouTube massive library, background play, lyrics, and playlist import features. It must have for an music lover. Download Demus today and take your music experience to next level. At the end, I want to say this is not the paid app, I would say, or this is not a paid video. This video is not sponsored by this application. I have been using this app from last 3 or 4 months and this doing great. Of course it shows some ad but it doesn't pause any song. That means it will show a banner ad but song will not pause. So try this application and do let me know in the comment section how you find it. Thanks for watching guys. Thank you so much.